In this video, I will show you how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Namecheap. So when you head over right here to your namecheap.com, you can see this transfer to us option. Let's click on this transfer domains option from your Namecheap and you should be able to see it right here. So you can just enter in here the domain name that you want to transfer. So for this one, for example, we have just go to GoDaddy and you just need to type in here the domain name that you want. So for example, let's type in here this domain and then it will search for that domain if it's available. If that domain is available, you can head over and then just purchase it by clicking on this make it yours option. Click on continue in order to check it out and then just pay for it using inputting your payment information. Once you have paid for it, just enter in here the domain name on your Namecheap and then click on this transfer option. And then in here you can see here the results if it's eligible for transfer, and then if it's eligible you can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to transfer it.